Good morning, YouTube. We are here in my garage with the 2025 Ducati Panigale V2. It is a beautiful, beautiful morning. The time is 7 a.m. on July 4. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Literally just woke up about 20-30 minutes ago. And just wanted to check out the bike, see if she's good. Yeah, just gotta clean her up a little bit, wipe her down, and yeah, I'm ready to go. I just picked up this bike 5 days ago, and I am at 574 miles in just 5 days. Freaking wild. One of my favorite features about this bike is these headlights. Man, I feel like it's the best feature about this bike. One of the best features about this bike. And man, I just love how the headlamps glow right underneath the headlight area. Oh man. And another thing about it, the high beams, man, they look like somebody staring in my soul. Man, looks so good though. So the modifications that I will be doing for this bike, obviously getting rid of this ugly ass tail. And man, that's horrendous. But yeah, that is one of the modifications I will be doing. And also the rear seat delete, because I am not taking anybody on this bike whatsoever. Just not comfortable riding with others. Maybe on the street triple right over there, but definitely not this one. Since I'm taking the rear seat off, I will take the passenger pegs off as well. Taking out these mirrors and replacing them with mirror deletes with LED turn signals, and also the brake and clutch levers. I will be switching that out, and then after that I will get to the exhaust. I'm not gonna lie, the stock exhaust on here is pretty good. It sounds good, but obviously it can sound better. So once that gets removed, pretty much done with this bike. There's not so much you need to do with this bike to mod. And it's just a beautiful bike by itself. And I'm really happy with my purchase. I'm really glad. I am now a Ducati owner. So this will be a day in the life of a Ducati owner. In about a few hours, we'll be riding out. I have a few friends coming over, and we're gonna ride to somewhere down south in Los Banos in California. Woo! We got Slow CC here, popping out. Go follow him on Instagram, guys. Oh my god, thank god, came in clutch, bro. I was like, I'll get the red one. Oh shit, it was meant to be. Oh shit. Sponsored by Red Bull. Ha shit. Shit, cheers, bro? Or what? Alright, we're about to go on this ride. Let's go. You hear that, Malachi?
The Green River. What is that shit?
Yeah, it sounds like. What's up, brother?
What's up, bro?
Alright guys, we are about to head out and to to Los Banos. Here we go. Gear. Doing a little bit of a cold start for my bike, and yeah, it's a beautiful day out here in California. We got Mike, we got Malachi, and we got Anthony right here. And we got the Ducati Panigale V2. Let's do it. Here we go. To the gas station we go. There's Malachi doing wheelies. Yep. That is actually my previous bike, the Triumph Street Triple 765R. And yeah, letting him ride it. Right now his bike, his R6 is out of commission, so I'm letting him ride it. Oh my god. Mike's CBR is crazy, bro. Me? No, I'm not good. Huh? Wow. Yeah, you're gonna need gas, bro. Yeah.
There's a diesel in there.
Oh hell no. Crazy. Chill, bro, chill. Mike is a wild one, bro. Fuck. Woo! Woo! We got Mally.
Go, baby.
Let's go, let's go. We out today. It is a bit chilly here. I think it's about 70 degrees here in California. Damn. The CPR is clapped out, bro. Every time he's downshift, bro. Damn. But yeah, we're on our way to Los Banos, California, coming from the Stockton area. And oh man, beautiful day. I feel great. I feel like every time I hop on a bike, I feel so brand new, especially after a long work week. There's something about being on the road with nothing but your friends riding. Oh man, it feels so good to be out. And it is 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, everybody. There is the Street Triple 765R. Malachi's riding it. Man. So that's my previous bike before I started riding the Ducati. And then I upgraded to here, on the Ducati. 765R is a beautiful bike. I love it. I put an aftermarket exhaust on it. The Race Pit exhaust. Shout out to Race Pit for that exhaust pipe. It sounds so beautiful. And then now we got Anthony, the Suzuki Gixxer 600. Yep, this guy, my boy right here. We be riding, man. But yeah, follow Anthony on Instagram. Follow Malachi on Instagram as well. Also follow Mike right there on Instagram too. Good guy right there. Yep, good guy right there. Yeah. CBR, bro, go crazy, bro. Man, the brakes on the Ducati, so sensitive, very sensitive. But yeah, we're out here at 4th of July, enjoying the weather, enjoying the California weather, and going to Los Banos. Oh my God, scared the shit out of me. Mike, you fucking bastard. Scared the shit out of me, bro. Fuck. Shit. Yeah! Fucking Anthony's like, what the fuck? But yeah, the handling of a Ducati Panigale V2, I feel so great and nimble. I can really move in this bike, left to right, no issues at all. And it rides very smooth. The quick shifter is really smooth too. Very, very easy to handle. Oh shit, we're going, alright. Like I said, the Ducati, very easy to maneuver and handle. The dash, I really like the dash. A lot of people do say it's not, they don't really like the dash. The only thing about this is that it doesn't have a fuel gauge. So it's really hard to tell when I need to get fuel. So I really gotta go based off the feel of how the bike feels. Yeah, after a while, my hand starts to hurt from the throttle. And one of the best things I ever purchased when I bought my motorcycle is a cramp buster. This thing right here saves my fucking hand. Really just use the throttle by using this. And it's perfect for long rides. Alright, we'll play some music. Smoking, wine and drinking haze all. Oh shit. Come on, Mike. So one thing about being on this bike for a while, I mean, it is a sport bike. It comes with being a sport bike rider. Is that your lower back, man, starts to hurt after a while. I'm leaning forward a lot. So, I mean, that's a given thing about being on a sport bike. It's common. But that is just one point that I want to get across, is that your back will start hurting after a while. I think we've been riding about 15 minutes so far. And yeah, I can already feel it. Country road, take me home to the place I belong. Yeah, we are definitely in the country right now. You can smell the manure. That's a fat ass house. Yeah, that's one thing about being in front of Michael, is that I don't know when he's going to start doing a wheelie, bro. No way. Bruh. And of course, he does a wheelie after he almost drops his bike. Where the hell are we going? America! Ugh. Yeah, that's one thing about being a short guy, is that it's hard to maneuver around this. Fuck you. Fuck you guys. Finally made it to our destination, where we got tacos. Anthony got tacos. What'd you get?
Tacos on tacos.
Plain ass motherfuckers.
Fuck it. We're here in Los Banos, and we just saw a bunch of bikers pull by. I think there's a bike meet, so we're gonna go over there and check it out. Ooh, damn, bro. Yep. And now we're here, checking out the bikes. Got my Triumph here and the Suzuki and the Ducati. So here we are. We ended up to the bike meet, and there's a whole bunch of bikes. We got CBRs, we got Triumphs, we got Kawasaki's, we got every bike that we have here, and even Harleys over here. That's an R1. Yeah, we got R1, R6s. Damn. Yeah, we got a whole bunch of bikes here. But we're not going on this ride because they're going to Hollister, and we're not trying to make it all the way to Hollister from Los Banos to Hollister. That is a long ride. But that Daytona right there is fucking perfect. Oh man. But yeah, this is what the meaning of bike life, man, is just hanging out and also like being around the whole entire community. This is what I love about motorcycling. And yeah, we all just love riding, and you know, that's the best thing about being in the biker community. And that's what I really love about it. Everybody can come together and enjoy one passion, which is motorcycling.
Whole different everything, bud.
Yeah.
This place is different.
Different.
What do you feel about the biker community?
Hey man, all I gotta say, bro, this is the best community out, bruh. If y'all ain't in a bike, y'all gotta get a bike, bruh. Look at this shit. Look at this. Just look at it. Look at it, bro. Bro, that R1 has the race fit on there.
Oh,
that shit sounds good as fuck, boy.
I'm gonna go sit on that corner.
Hey, what do you gotta say about the bike community?
That's where it's at.
Ah!
But yeah, all right, guys, we are about to end the video here. And well, actually, we're gonna watch them ride out, and then we're gonna end the video. There we go. Gonna end the video here, and just I want to say thank you for everybody. And then there's Malachi right here chilling on my Triumph Street Triple. But yeah, we want to say thank you guys for tuning in on the video, and that thank you for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.